Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change who can see your Reels on the Facebook app. Whether you want to make them public, visible to friends only, or hide them from specific people, I'll walk you through the steps. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Now tap the settings icon at the top. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Reels. Tap on Who can see your Reels? Here you'll see several options. Public, anyone on or off Facebook can see your Reels. Friends, only your Facebook friends will be able to view them, friends accept. You can hide your Reels from specific people on your friends list. Choose the option that suits your privacy needs, then click on Saved. That's it. Now you know how to control who can see your Facebook Reels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.